In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Outlook. Whether you're organizing work emails, sorting personal messages, or just wanting to keep your inbox tidy, learning how to create folders in Outlook can save you a lot of time and energy. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Start by navigating to the Outlook website and locating the Sign In button. It typically stands out, so you should see it right away on the home page. Give it a click to proceed. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to input your login details. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click Next to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is where all your emails, contacts, and encounters come together. It might feel a bit busy at first if you're not used to it, but don't worry, we're going to zero in on the specific section you need. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the folder section resides, an essential part of organizing your messages. As you scan the left corner of your screen, you'll want to hover your mouse cursor over the folders section. You'll notice this area lists things like your inbox, sent items, and more. Right beside where it says folders, you're going to notice a small icon with 3 dots. These 3 dots are your gateway to creating a new folder, so give them a click. Upon clicking, you'll see an option that allows you to create new folder. Select this option to move on to the next step. This handy feature lets you create custom folders to suit your organizational preferences. You might want folders for work projects, family and friends, or any other category that helps you keep things in order. With the new folder option selected, you're now ready to name your folder. Consider what makes the most sense for you, whether it's naming it after a specific project, a person, or a category of emails you frequently receive. Whatever you choose, type it into the provided field and your folder will be created instantly. And that's it. You've now learned how to create new folders in Outlook. It's a simple process, but one that can greatly help in keeping your digital life organized. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make folder creation second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your email management.